Who would have ever thought that this guy was going to be our intro to crypto? Our mentor is going to take all of this stuff and distill it down and package it up so we can turn it into something tradable and profitable. This is Taz, and Taz has a background as an international financial industry professional. He's an expert in blockchain and digital currency, and he's going to be teaching us. He's going to teach us the types of crypto exchanges, digital security, blockchains, the buying and selling of digital currencies, the difference between trading digital and investing in digital, and global overview of the digital currency landscape, and more.